Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm gonna show you how to uninstall system apps from your device. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right, and you just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, let's get started. You can uninstall the disable app from the non-system apps. You can easily uninstall them by going to settings. Here you can see apps. Now here you can see different applications that are running in your mobile phone. Just for system apps, you may not be able to uninstall them without root access. Here you can see I have not option of the uninstall app, but I can just simply disable or the turn off that application. For example, here you can see and disable this application. I can disable that application.